Nurx Telehealth Honest Review. Watch before using. If you're considering using Nurx for telehealth services, this review will give you everything you need to know before making a decision. Nurx is a telehealth platform primarily focused on women's health, offering services like birth control, STI testing, acne treatment, and emergency contraception. It's designed for people who prefer convenience, privacy, and a hassle-free way to manage their healthcare needs, all from the comfort of home. But is it worth it? Let's break it down. One of Nurx's biggest strengths is its focus on accessibility. They offer online consultations with licensed providers without requiring an in-person visit. For birth control, you simply fill out a health questionnaire, and a Nurx doctor reviews it to prescribe the right option for you. The prescription is then shipped discreetly to your door. This process is straightforward and ideal for anyone who finds it difficult or time-consuming to get to a clinic. In addition to birth control, Nurx offers at-home testing kits for STIs and other health concerns. The STI test kit is particularly popular because it covers a comprehensive range of infections, including HIV, chlamydia, and gonorrhea. You send your samples back to a lab, and the results are provided through the app. It's a great option if you want to take control of your sexual health privately. Now let's talk about pricing. Nurx has affordable options, but it's not free. Their consultations typically start at $15, and medication or testing costs vary depending on your insurance. The platform accepts most major insurance plans, which significantly lowers out-of-pocket costs. Without insurance, some services may get pricey, especially for STI kits. However, many users report that the convenience and privacy are well worth the cost. Who is Nurx best suited for? It's a perfect fit for women who want easy access to birth control or private comprehensive STI testing. It's also a good solution for acne treatment and migraine prevention. However, it's not a replacement for a primary care doctor. If you need ongoing, in-depth medical care or have complex health issues, you'll want to look elsewhere. The downsides? The main drawback is that Nurx is only available in certain US states. Additionally, while it's convenient, you won't get the same relationship-building experience with a doctor as you would with an in-person visit. Some users also report slow response times for follow-up questions. Final verdict? Nurx is a solid telehealth option for those seeking convenience and privacy, especially for birth control and STI testing. It's not a complete healthcare solution, but it does exactly what it promises, and does it well.